Welcome guys, this is Optimal FX. So on my screen now you see that I am on boom 500 index live. The time frame is 5 minutes time frame. I am live on boom 500 index. So if you look at it, you see that the entries are reading. The entries are what? Reading. Now the question is, why did I make this trade? Why am I on sale on boom 500 index? Why am I on sale on boom 500 index? Now I want to show you the reason why I am on sale on boom 500 index. This is 5 minutes time frame. You understand? This is what? 5 minutes time frame. Now, this is the reason why I am on sale on boom 500 index. Now, if you look here now, only one indicator, or I'm making use of only one indicator, MACD indicator, MACD indicator. Now, why did I enter this trade? I entered this trade because of this crossing here. I enter, look at it. I entered this trade because of this crossing here. You see the MACD crosses here. Look at it. Look at the crossing here. Look at where MACD crosses above. Look at it. Look at the crossing here. So this is where I make my sell entry. Do you understand? That is where I make my sell entry. So if you watch, you see that the market are still what? Reading. Do you understand? The market is still what? Reading. So to set up this indicator, to set up this MACD indicator, this is it. This is MACD here. So this is what the setting. Fast EMA is 100, slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 2. Apply to close. So that is all you need to set up. Now this is whenever you see the MACD, whenever you see MACD crosses from down upwards. Look at this crossing here. Whenever you see MACD crosses from down upwards, at this point, this is where I want you to make your entry. At this point where the MACD crosses and moves up, that is a sell. Look at it. This is what? A sell entry. Do you understand? So this is it. It is still reading. Do you understand? So that is all about it. Boom 500 index. Time frame is 5 minutes time frame. Only one indicator, MACD indicator. Do you understand? So that is it. Make use of this strategy and you will see yourself making consistent profit on boom 500 index. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video so that others will benefit. This is Optimal FS. Don't forget. Thank you.